Raihan loved running since childhood. Whenever he saw a field, it felt as if his legs wanted to run on their own. His school sports teacher used to say, "This boy will achieve something big one day." But in 8th grade one day, Raihan's left leg was severely injured in an accident. The doctor said, "You won't be able to run much in the future." Those words completely stopped Raihan's world. His friends comforted him. His family stood by him, but the dream of running inside him slowly started to fade away. But one afternoon, his grandfather came to him and said, "There are two kinds of people in life. One stops when they feel pain, and the other uses pain as fuel to become stronger. Which one do you want to be?" These words ignited a fire inside Raihan. The next morning, he went to the field using a stick. He walked slowly, then tried to run a little. There was pain, but he didn't stop. Weeks passed like this. Months passed. Eventually, he was able to throw away the stick. Then slowly, he started short runs. Later, long runs. Many people said, "Raihan, you're crazy. Don't put such pressure on your body." But Raihan knew, if I give up, one day I really won't be able to run. But if I try, I'll find a way. After 2 years, the school's annual sports competition took place. Everyone was surprised. Raihan had signed up for the running event again. As the race started, Raihan fell behind. His leg started hurting again. It felt like he might stop. But his grandfather's words echoed in his ears. "Use the pain as fuel and run." Raihan clenched his teeth and moved forward. Slowly, he began to forget the pain. As the finish line approached, he used every bit of strength he had. At the last moment, he surged ahead of everyone and won first place. The entire field stood up and applauded. Teachers, friends, family, everyone's eyes were filled with pride. Raihan simply smiled and said, "I didn't win the race. I won against my fear.